Thursday afternoon, August 10th, and this is the big day. Yep, we're moving the world's largest pumpkin today. Well, I don't know about the world's largest, but maybe the U.S.'s largest pumpkin. Or maybe it's just Maryland's largest pumpkin. Hey, what I do know is it is Ridge's largest pumpkin. So, yep, going to pick up this pumpkin. This year we're doing something a little bit differently. Hopefully the pumpkin is in good shape on the bottom. We are going to weigh the pumpkin and then bring it to the hardware store, and we're going to have a guess the weight contest. So there will be cash prizes and beautiful women and probably a year's supply of toilet paper and maybe some batteries thrown in for good measure for the person who comes closest to guessing the weight of this pumpkin. Yeah, I don't know what the prize will be yet. I haven't quite figured that part of it out, but we'll have a nice prize, and we'll probably run this contest until Labor Day weekend. I'm hoping the pumpkin can last that long. So, yep, headed up now, and we're gonna pick up this pumpkin and get it weighed. I'm gonna try to do this as professionally as I know, and to keep it as honest a contest as possible. So what I'll have is the guy who has raised this pumpkin, I'm only going to have him look at the weight. I'll have him write the weight down on a piece of paper and put it in a sealed envelope. So I won't know, none of my employees will know what this weight is until the day we decide to determine the winner of this. So that's my game plan. And there we have it. The world's largest pumpkin. Well, okay, we're not sure about that. At least it is Ridge's largest pumpkin. We've got the scale over there, the tractor, the chain, straps going around it. We're ready to pick this sucker up and weigh it.
got the paper.
Huh?
I said I got the paper,
Okay.
unless he remembers.
So what I want to do, rather than leave it as it is,
Yeah, let's put it on the pallet now.
and then I'll pick up the pallet. Yep. Of it. All right, anybody that watched the video last year knew that the pumpkin had rotted underneath, but this year it has not rotted underneath. We are good. He has learned from his mistakes. Okay, let's set it down on here. All right, it's on the truck. Let's see if we can get it to the store. Okay, the pumpkin is on the move. We don't have far to move it. It's less than a mile. It's 3/4 of a mile, maybe.
Well, that man can't come out until this thing comes in. Yeah, because it's more gonna stop this thing. It looks like them right inside of the truck. Holding on like that. You can hold it. Come hold this. Our heads are gonna be in the way. My head's already in this thing. It's gonna die.
Your foam is still too long.
It's gonna hit this one. It's gonna hit this one.
Where's an X-Acto knife, man?
The foam.
Now you're trapped.
It's gonna hit Jason's door. And so the pallet's fine.
Come this way. Okay, you want me to record right here?
Put on my side.
Don't put too much pressure on the pumpkin, you'll squish it. Here. Up.
Here's the up.
Up.
want it anyways. Keep it.
I got about half inch of it.
Listen, watch your hand.
Watch his actual tractor piece.
Yeah. Oh!
About to break the glass.
Fuck that glass. Look, it is freezing.
Watch your toe, Lindsay.
No, I'm watching it. I'm just making that look.
Yeah, push it.
Okay. Oh, which way they would rather this go?
More center.
Okay. Well, they will shut up. Come on down.
There's no way.
I can't see his forks.
I don't know. I can't see.
Okay, I don't know if you saw the final picture. We did get the pumpkin in the store. So there it is. The pumpkin made it into the store. We're hoping the pumpkin will last until Labor Day, so we're doing a guessing contest. It's a free entry, 1 entry per person. The person that guesses the weight that is closest to the actual weight of the pumpkin will win a $100 gift certificate from Ridge Hardware. In the event that there are 2 or more of the same guesses, we'll just split that gift certificate. So, okay, the battery went dead in the GoPro. So as I was saying, in the event that there is more than one person that guesses the correct weight or comes close, more than one person guesses the same weight, then we will just split the prize 2 different ways or 3 different ways, depending on how many people guess. So yeah, if you're in the area, come on down and stop at the hardware store, take a look at the pumpkin. Thanks to Jason for letting us bring this pumpkin into the store and have a little bit of fun with it. He did a great job with it. So come on down and put your name in the drawing for a $100 gift certificate.